I noticed this looks like it was repaired recently. They bolted this one. Looks like they put some kind of weld right here. But it also has a ground wire. Huh. There's one over there that's same thing. I see we've got greasers here. It's supposed to be when I switch over to the other lane, maybe. That track there's got a greaser down there right by them lights. Greases the axles as they go around the curve. Something else I've noticed, there's always these things laying around. It's always like broken brick clay tile, and then it's got these steel pieces. It's got to do with something with welding. But every time I see these laying around, oh, there's a weld right here. This shows, look, every single one of these. I don't know what that, it's got something to do with the welding, I'm sure. There's the welding stick. It's real soft. But I always see those around this area. I'm not sure what that is or what them are supposed to do, but it's something I always notice when I'm walking the tracks. I don't know, I see these broken clay things like this over here, that there was a weld somewhere near